Well, a beautiful red Corvette is always in demand, and this is a nice car. 2013 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Coupe, 43,000 miles, and it is priced right. Check out the pricing and more detailed photos in the link right below this video. Torch red on the exterior, ebony interior, and under the hood a 430 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include the $2,145 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you, it includes heads-up display, Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with navigation, steering wheel controls, and center console mounted USB and auxiliary inputs as well. The car has a Bluetooth package as well. Beautiful chrome wheels, HID headlights, dual zone seats, side airbags, OnStar, dual zone electronic climate control, keyless entry and start, fog lamps, electric rear hatch pull down, power windows, power locks. Well, everything on the car is power, of course. Has tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling, and it features a one-owner Carfax as well. Some nice options on this car, and this 2013 Corvette shows just 43,436 miles. It's in good condition. Car's paint is good to very good condition with a nice shine, and it has those beautiful factory chrome wheels that are in place. The interior, well, the interior shows a very good factory leather seats, very good steering wheel and door panels. This car is completely factory stock, and it features a corrosion-free subframe. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavette.net, and we can make buying online something you can do with ease, but what I say most importantly, you can buy online with confidence from us. Give us a call today at 770-414-5552. We can help you with this Corvette or anything you might be interested in seeing. We can help you with as well. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience, so give us a call. Hope to hear from you really soon.